What's up, YouTube? I'm Corey, and welcome to my channel, Let's Talk with Corey. Alabama woman, Carlee Russell, remember her from the fake kidnapping that happened in Alabama on the side of a highway? Well, guys, the judge has rendered his decision. Check out this video.
Of making a false police report, how do you plead?
Guilty.
And in CC 23-889, as to the misdemeanor offense of making a false police report, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Are you satisfied that your attorneys, Mr. Emery Anthony, Richard Jaffe, and Lucky Milad,
Yes, sir.
are good and competent attorneys and have represented you well?
Yes, sir.
Are you satisfied with the plea agreements in these cases?
Yes, sir.
You're pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Well, I find that your plea was made knowingly and voluntarily, and based on your plea, I find you guilty. Before sentencing, first, is there anything that the Attorney General's office would like to add?
First of all, this case has always been about respect for law enforcement and respect for this community as a whole. Ms. Russell faked a kidnapping, duped the community, and contrived this situation. We still, Judge, don't know to this day where she was, how she got there, what she was doing, with whom she was doing it with. It is our contention that she should get some jail time. I understand that it's a misdemeanor. I do. But because of the effect it has had on law enforcement as well as on the community, we feel even if it's weekends in jail or nights in jail, that some sort of incarceration is warranted in this case.
Your Honor, I want to genuinely apologize for my actions and the resulting negative impact inflicted onto others. I made a grave mistake while trying to fight through various emotional issues and stress. I am extremely remorseful for the panic, fear, and various range of negative emotions that were experienced across the nation. I want to specifically acknowledge and take accountability for the pain and embarrassment that I inflicted upon my family, my church family, friends, neighbors, community, and all of those who were directly involved in search efforts for me. I also extend my sincerest apologies to the Hoover Police Department and every other law enforcement agency and personnel for the position that I put them in and for the resources used. I absolutely regret my decision and in hindsight wish that I had cried for help in a totally different manner. My prayer is that I will be extended grace and given the opportunity to redeem who I truly am and restore the positively esteemed character that I have worked so hard to attain for the 25 years of my life prior to this incident. I wholeheartedly can say that I never had any malicious intent to hurt anyone.
What you did was you wasted a lot of government resources, and you're going to pay for that. We need to reserve our jails for people who are genuinely a threat to the community. Although we're very upset about what you've done, you're not a threat to the community. I'm not going to treat you any differently than I would treat any other first-time non-violent misdemeanor.
Okay, guys, you saw the clip of Carlee Russell's appeal to the judge for leniency. The judge rendered a decision that was favorable to Carlee Russell and her team of lawyers, saying that she didn't deserve to do any jail time. The judge ended a 6 months sentence to jail because of the 2 misdemeanor charges and didn't really see her as a real criminal or violent criminal. So that went into play for him making his decision for probation, supervised probation. As you see in the caption, 100 hours of community service and moving forward with her life. But guys, what's your thoughts about the decision? Did you think that she deserved more? Or do you feel like the judge made the right choice and giving her a very, a slap on the wrist moving forward? But guys, you leave a comment. What's your thoughts? And as always, thanks for the pull up. Hit that subscribe button. Let's talk with Corey. People, places, and things. Let's talk with Corey. I'm out.